Anything from oil and gas to government manufacturing to consumer end-to-end requirements. We're able to do that in-house for parts that are under 250 pounds. We've been using Bernard products for about 20 years. Welding is paramount to what we do. It's really the cornerstone of East Lake manufacturing. Without welding, we have no products to supply our customers. So East Lake's still a family business. It was started by my mom and dad back in the early 80s out of necessity. My folks had 4 small kids to support, and Dad started working out of his garage, doing whatever he could to support us, and it's really grown from there.
I've only ever really been using Bernard. If I had any other ones, that was years ago. I really like the smoothness of the gun. The handles are really nice. The 15-foot lengths are really easy to get around to. I can just leave my welder in the corner and work anywhere around my table I want. But Bernard is usually the go-to for me.
I've been welding with a Bernard gun forever. Since I started, it's been the go-to gun. The AccuLock is very smooth. I've noticed the wire comes out much cleaner, much more control. The consumable is much smaller, but the nozzle is just tight enough I can still get into tight spots without needing to switch over to a full pipe fitter nozzle. So I've been really enjoying.
Well, what we found, especially with the AccuLock, is that we don't have to change things out as often. Yeah, just general downtime of changing nozzles, changing tips, changing diffusers. We have to do it far less with the AccuLock models. That we can replace triggers, we can replace liners, we can replace all sorts of consumables, and it lasts for, in some cases, decades after that.
Everything we have for gaskets is awesome. I could probably use the same nozzle forever. The co-pilot is so easy to use. Like I took someone who has no experience with robotic welders ever, and probably in 10 minutes I can have them running a program, a half hour of instruction, and he'll be making his own programs. It's so simple to use.
The welding shop is a pretty hostile environment, so we need equipment that can take a beating, and Bernard can. From overuse to misuse to proper use, it can stand up to everything, so that's why we pick it.
What East Lake means to our customers is trust. East Lake gets the PO, it's going to be done right, it's going to be on time, and we can get there because we have the support and service through Bernard and Christian Electric to make sure that we're on when we need to be on. So we're thankful.